Welcome to our plant channel. This is a young farmer right here. Guess what? He planted his potato, so he getting ready to harvest.
You know when it's ready because the plants start turning brown. All of it fell down. There was a whole bunch over here. They all turned brown.
You see, this is right. He telling you, this is how you know they're ready. Watch. They're dry. The stalk is dry. So you're gonna start from out here. So you dig, you dig and you press it in with your foot. Ooh, look at that. You see?
You guys see this?
You got to teach the kids, man. When they plant, that's how we do it. Okay, take all that you get. This is dinner you're talking about right there. He plant these, young farmer, and he harvesting for himself. You got to teach the kids these. Look at that. That's 3 you have there. Ooh, these are small ones. So these small ones, we could use them as seeds for next year.
Yeah.
So you take this one. These, hold on. These are one we're gonna use them for seeds for next year. So let's see how much you have there.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
All right, so you put them over there. I'm gonna put up these seeds for next year. Okay. Wait, hold on. You got, when you're digging, you got to go wide away from the potato itself, because you don't want to dig up the potato, damage the potato. You see, that's the next one right there. You have to show the kids when you plant, when you do something, you have to take care of it. And when you take care of it, you're gonna always be able to.
And I'll be going this out for like a month or 2.
Okay,
Grab these little seeds.
look at next one right there. Hey. Yeah,
Sweet.
young farmer. We just got to teach them. Just like anything you're doing. It ain't just planting, it's anything. Look there.
Oh, we got some purple potatoes.
That's purple potato you have right there. Okay, look how beautiful. All right. Sort, still you get more.
Got some.
Wow, this is amazing. We come here and we get.
Right here.
Oh wow, these are seeds. I'm saving all the seeds.
Our seeds you can regrow.
Yeah.
So we're going here.
Okay.
Now over here should be some over here because I did plants, or that was it. It's a seed right here.
No, let's dig again. Okay, that's seed for next year. Oh, look one again.
Ooh.
Look at next one right here.
As in the thumbnail is gonna be like a picture of them cleaned off.
Right.
That's, ooh, tons of seeds.
Yeah, all these little seeds. Yeah. All these are seeds that we can plant back. Damn. Look here. My goodness. Look at next one there, man. Look the size of that one.
Dang.
Yes, he have dinner right here. Plus some color though. This is dinner right here, guys.
There you go. Dig one more time, just in case. You never know. We got some more. Ooh, I can see. Ooh.
The
Ooh.
next one right there.
Here's some right here.
Ooh. Yes.
One right here. Oh, this is a seed. One right here.
Mm-hmm.
See how important it is?
Yeah. So tell them what you did and now you harvest.
Alright guys, so I planted potatoes a month ago in some weeks.
No,
Maybe like
few
2
months ago, I
Yeah, a
think
few
you
months
did.
ago. I took care of it. We came, soaked up the dirt, made sure the root was nice, put water sometimes it will rain, make it nice. Now we come back, look how many potatoes we got. Look how many potatoes we got.
You have dinner right there, man. Proud of you, son. Wow. Very good to teach these kids. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.